if you write code, then you actually need a portfolio website, because a portfolio website allows you to showcase samples of work you have done, which serves as a digital resume and proof of work to the skill set you have mentioned in your resume. And GitHub is a code hosting platform for version control and collaboration that lets you and others work together on projects from anywhere around the globe. But GitHub is not just a great place to store and share your code with others, but also a great place to host your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript projects. And if you are a web developer, then it's a great bonus building your own website from scratch. But if you are like me, a machine learning engineer, then you'd probably want to go for the simplest option possible to build your own portfolio website. So let's actually go ahead and see how to host and publish our portfolio website for free using GitHub Pages. And if you don't have a GitHub account, you can always use your email address and click on the sign up button here to create a new GitHub profile account. So after you've created your account, go to your GitHub profile and click on the repositories tab here, and then click on the new button to create a new GitHub repository. So on this new page, we actually add the repository name. As for me, I want to go with Softlinks. And it is very important to make sure you add the extension .github.io after the name, because this will be the address you will share when your site is ready to publish and go live. Then on the description, let's say website portfolio, and make sure to check public on the radio button here, and also add the readme file. And finally, click on this button to create your repository. So here is our new repository, which, as you can see, it's actually empty with no source codes. And here is the address to our website, which you can share to others when the website is live. So let's go ahead and upload our entire website portfolio. To do that, all you actually need is a built website on your computer. If you don't have your portfolio website just built yet, or maybe you don't want to code your portfolio website from scratch, then you can head over to starbootstrap.com. This is a free website where you can download portfolio website theme of your choice and reuse. So you can click on any of the free templates here and then click on the download button to save the website locally on your computer. But as for me, I have my website portfolio which I'm gonna use as part of the tutorial. So let's go ahead and run the live server extension here to open up my website in the web browser. As you can see, here is the portfolio website which I'm gonna upload to my GitHub repository. So let's actually go ahead and publish our website. To do that, I'm actually going to click on the add file button here and then click on upload files. As you can see, what I'm actually gonna do is to drag the files and upload them to this repository. So let's actually do that. I will open up my website folder and select all my files and then drag them to the repository. When the files are actually done uploading, then I'm going to add a short description. Let's say uploaded website files. And then finally, I'm going to click on the commit changes button here to save them to the repository. As you can see, my website files are now uploaded. Then lastly, I'm going to click on the settings tab here and then click on pages. As we can observe here, our site has been published to this URL. So let's actually click on this link and test our website. This is awesome, right? As you can see, our portfolio website has been hosted live using GitHub Pages, and everyone can access using the link provided. And if you are deploying to GitHub Pages for the first time, you may need to wait 10 to 15 minutes before you can see the actual website. So this wraps up our tutorial on how to host our website using GitHub Pages. If you have published any of your website using GitHub Pages, drop the link in the video description because I would love to see them. And if you are new to this channel and this video was helpful to you, please be sure to like and subscribe for more related content. See you in my next tutorial, and as always, take care.